In this video, we are going to talk about Gemini Omni, the new AI model published by Google today, which creates amazing videos. In this video, we are going to review it, we are going to test it together, and I'm going to show you a couple of tips that can help you get better results. Also, I'm going to show you where you can use Gemini Omni. If you're ready, let's begin. So this is gonna be very interesting, and I'm so excited about this video because I have been testing Gemini Omni and I got amazing results. And I also found some parts that it's a little bit weak in those areas, and I'm gonna show you where. And also there are some areas that it is super strong and it can create amazing results for you. I'm gonna show you all of it. So today, Google introduced Gemini Omni. They introduced many different things. One of them was Gemini Omni. It's a very strong AI model and it can create up to 4K quality. You can provide images as resources. You can provide videos and make changes inside that video. You can provide audio as well. And as you can see, the results is very advanced, and it pay attention to almost all the details that needs to be created correctly. So here we have some examples done by Google showing some of the abilities of this AI model that, for example, this one was one of the famous ones that I saw it a lot, that can modify a video. Of course, we had some other models that can modify a video, but we are talking about quality here. In this video example, you can see that they edited the video and changed the background, or they removed the violin, or they changed the position of camera. But I don't want to just talk about the examples that Google provided. I want us to test it together. So first of all, where we can use Gemini Omni. Right now that we are speaking, it is not yet available on AI Studio of Google. So if we come here, if we go to models on the right side, if we click on video, it should be available here soon. Right now that I'm recording this video, it's not available, but I'm going to suggest two different places that you can use it. The first platform is Kie. I will put the link down in the description. You can register and create an account here. Then you can go to billings, add some amount of credit. You can start with, for example, $5. And then here in the models market, the first one right now, it is Gemini Omni, and you can just click on it. And on the next page, if you scroll down here, there's an example, but on the left side, you can add your own information, writing your own prompt, adding your own images, and then click on run, and it will generate your video. But for today's video, we are gonna use it in another place. We are gonna use it in this software, which is called Rangy. And we recently added this new AI model to Rangy as well. So if you don't have Rangy, if you don't have this software, I will put the link down in the description. It will take you to this page and you can go through it, get the software, install it. It works on both Mac and Windows. And after you install it, the only thing you need to do before start using it is to connect it to Kie website. And all you need to do is to come to API keys. And then here on the right side, click on create new key, and then just write any name as you prefer. Then it will create a key like this. Just come here, click on copy. And then when you are inside the software, click on the settings on the top right side, come to API keys. And here under Kie.ai, you can click on paste and then save it. If you need help, here there are a couple of videos that can show you how you can connect this software to Kie, or the other platforms that we have here, like Google, like Anthropic, like Replicate, and so on. After that, you can come to Core tab. Here we have all the AI image generators that you can use, for example, Nano Banana 2, GPT Image 2, Cedric 4.5, and so on to generate images. Then on the video tab, here we have Gemini Omni. You can just turn it on. Under it, we have the settings like the duration of the video, the resolution, and the aspect ratio. And all you need to do is to just write your prompt here. If you have an image or you have a video, you can add them here and then select the settings that you want. And then here at the bottom of the screen, let me just write something. here you can see generate video. You can just click on it and it will send your request to Kie platform and it will generate the video. So now let's look at some of the examples that I have made. So here in the agent tab, earlier I have made some images. For example, let's come here. This was one of the images that I made with Nano Banana Pro. Or we have some other examples like these cool images made with GPT Image 2. And I use these images to create the videos. And now let's look at the, some of the results that we got here. For example, this was one of the first examples. As you can see, the quality of it is amazing. And the good thing about it is that it creates multi-shot. It can create multi-shot if you tell it to. And also it can add sync audio. And even if you want a voiceover, it can add that as well. Here we have another cool example with voiceover.
Experience pure berry bliss. Every scoop is a taste of summer. Made with the freshest ingredients, naturally delicious.
And here is the prompt for this video. I just wrote down, make a good professional ad video with different shots for this ice cream. Then I attached the ice cream image that I showed you earlier, this one. I have attached this one, and based on this image, it created that cool video. Here I tested it for a short educational video. Let's look at it.
First, gently poke a small hole in the soil. Now, add a little water and watch it grow.
Now, the other AI video generator can almost create something like this, but usually they have lots of mistakes, or it will not follow exactly what you wrote in the prompt. For example, here I mentioned that at the end, show the time lapse of processing of this plant growing, and it showed it perfectly. Let's look at another example. You can look at the details and the quality. It's amazing. These are almost completely ready for advertisement. If you want to sell products, or if you want to create ads or create content, video content for other companies or brands, it's amazing. It's a great opportunity. Here we have a product. In some of my earlier videos, we got this product from Amazon. We got the image, then we improved it. We created ad images for it. And now here I converted it to video and it looks amazing. Let's look at it together. You can see the quality of editing the video is amazing. As I said, it's almost production level. And I don't know what to say. It's amazing. Here is another ad video that I made for Shampoo. And even in the prompt, I didn't mention this. The AI model came up with this scenario. So in the prompt, I just mentioned, make a good professional ad video with different shots for this product. Itself, based on the product type that it read through the label, that it was saying that it is a shampoo for coloring hair, it decided to add that woman in the video, which is really good. When these AI models start to think, it's amazing. On the next example, it's me showing a sunglasses. You can see all the details that it thought about it. Let's just come here. Look at all the details, even in the reflection of the sunglasses, you can see everything correctly. It was like exactly it was recorded inside a studio. On the next example, I wanted to see how good it is with 3D videos, and it had some weaknesses. Let's look at it. The movement is more or less okay, but it had some mistakes. For example, here, this mace is in his left hand, then it sort of transformed to his right hand. I tried it again a couple of times. In most of these examples, we had the same issue. Now I'm going to show you two great results that they look amazing. I really like them. This is the first one. And this is the second one. The thing that I like about this video a lot is that the video and the audio, they're complete match. Just look at the end of this video. When the music is rising, the background effects appear. It's amazing. Here we have some more products.
Experience pure luxury. For radiant skin every morning.
Again, I didn't explain a lot. Inside the prompt, I just mentioned create a multi-shot professional ad video of this product with some shots that are fast, suddenly goes into a slow motion. And in case if you have some specific voiceover in your mind that, okay, I want this video to mention these sentences or these features inside the video, you can write all of them inside the prompt. Here we have more examples. And you can also make vertical videos with it. It looks amazing for social media. It's a complete advertisement. I really like it. Here we have a luxury watch example. And I wanted to see if it can create scary videos as well. Now this was with low quality. I have made one with higher quality, but I think this one was a little bit better. But regarding quality, of course, the 4K quality is much better. What we see here inside this video, I just wrote all of it inside the prompt, that where we are. It is night. It is a scary old house. There is a doll, for example. Then there is a TV. It turns on and shows these kind of things. This was my very first test of Gemini Omni, and I was really satisfied with the results. And I'm gonna keep testing this. And hopefully on the next video about Gemini Omni, I'm gonna give you a couple of cool tips that you can use inside prompts to get a better results, or how to create the exact result that you have in your mind. So again, if you don't have Rangy and if you want it, you can get it from the link down in the description. And if you need any help, or if you had any question about Rangy or any other AI models, you can leave a comment. I will read all of your comments. And if you're interested in this kind of videos, do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. This way I will understand you enjoy these videos and I will make more of them for you. Of course, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming trainings and tutorials on new AI models. That would be all for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you soon on the next one.